I love books. I've always loved books. They're one of the most profound, intense experiences you can have. Not just an escape, but a journey of discovery. When you study English at A-level, we look into the writer's craft. We look into language, how the writers express their thoughts and feelings, and it gives us an insight into their world. We also think about context, what the world was like when they were writing. In language and literature, we look even more closely at the language that provides a framework for literary texts. We'll look at syntax and semantics, phonetics and phonology, grammar and graphology. We'll also look at everyday texts, things like posters, magazines, emails, and even everyday speech. At the start of your course, you'll get a reading list detailing all the wonderful texts you're going to encounter as you go through the course, and your teacher will suggest more as you go through it. With this, as with life in general, the more you read, the easier it will get. If you love reading, you'll love studying English at A-level.
Hello, my name is Mr. Bethel. I teach in the Maths department here at Thomas Alleyne and teach A-level mathematics. People often ask me what's the point in studying mathematics at A-level and is there any real need for it? So, post-16 mathematics A-level course. We do mathematics here at Thomas Alleyne from Edexcel, which is now Pearson, and there are three components to study. There's pure and there's applied, and the applied mathematics is split into statistics and mechanics. Just to show you what's the point of mathematics, one example is the use of graphs for information. Arithmetic is a classic example of mathematics. And I was looking at some of the career choices where people want people to use mathematics as an A-level. And here are a few examples. And there are plenty of them, by the way. Just some more there. And university courses, what I found was some university courses insist on you using mathematics, some insist on you having mathematics as a qualification. A couple of years ago I did the audit. There were 422 courses at degree level which required you to take mathematics at A-level alone. Okay? Here's what some of the mathematics courses at A-level are, and subjects that are studied there. In fact, this is quite a list. Jobs shown require the relevant qualification or need topics of level of qualification to do. And just here's a list of jobs which require mathematic content or need some mathematics, and there's a lot of them. In fact, there weren't many jobs I couldn't find that didn't require mathematics. People say to me, why do I do mathematics? The one thing I like about mathematics is its universality. It's the fact that I can do an equation in maths here at Thomas Alleyne's, and somebody at a school in Czechoslovakia or in Australia or in Germany can do exactly the same, and we write the same language. The universal language of mathematics is used. And it's the problem solving and the techniques that we use. So we start out with a real world problem. In fact, I've just been teaching A-level mechanics, and we were looking at objects falling because of gravity and calculating times taken, time of flight and so on as a result from that. And that's what I find is the challenge of mathematics, is being able to actually break problems down into small steps, apply mathematical principles, and actually then resolve the problem. So thank you for your attention. If you do want to study A-level mathematics, please come and find me, or find Miss Nair, or any of the members of the maths department. They will point you to me, and if you wish to ask any further questions, please do so. Thank you very much.